Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna recreate one of Shreya Jain's makeup looks, and this is the look that I have chosen. If you don't know who Shreya Jain is, then she is a legend of Indian beauty community. And in case if you love doing makeup, then I'm guessing that you know her already. So disclaimer is that in no way I'm gonna match up to her levels, and of course I'm not gonna use the same products she does because I don't have them. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best and I hope that I do some justice to this look. And from now onwards, the video will be on the voiceover side. Like I'll be doing the voiceover and the video is playing in front of me right now, and I'll be copying off of that. Let's see.
I'm gonna start filling into my brows. I'm doing the usual, the outline and the underline, and then
Okay, so we are starting off with eyebrows, and I have never used a pencil for my eyebrows, so that's why I'm just going in with my regular powder, and after that I'll just set all of the product with the spoolie.
apply it very lightly all over my lid. This would prep my lids for all of the colors.
I'm going to prime my eyelids with the concealer that I have, so the dark colors that we are going to apply later will pop on. That's pretty much the concept.
Time with layering this color because purples can be slightly tricky. So I'm just patting it down. You don't want to...
Okay, so I'm gonna pat this purple shade on my lids as she suggested, and later I realized that this round eyeshadows don't look good on me, and hence I used this tape. So I did a slight variation there.
Then taking this pink shade on a pencil brush, I am just gonna blend out the edges.
Now we are blending the edges. I don't know why it is not looking pigmented enough, but it was quite pigmented off camera.
To create a spotlight or a halo eye, whatever you want to call it. Again, you want the layer to be thin and nice.
Alright, so she is creating the halo eyes, and for that I'm using my same concealer that I used before and kind of making a triangular shape in the middle of the lid.
So I'm just creating that, and then taking the purple shadow, I'm making sure that the edges are nicely blended in.
You see what she does? She blends, and blending is perfection.
Picking up the yellow from the same palette, I'm going to apply it on the centers of my lid. Again, I'm just patting this down, and then I'm just going to ensure that I blend out the edges in nice.
Okay, patting the yellow in the middle. At this point I was really intimidated because of course I was copying Shreya Jain and I have never created halo eyes in my life ever before, so I was just kind of worried how it was going to be, but looks okay to me.
I'm just going to take a nice amount of that, and I'm just going to start from the centers of my face, and I'm going to massage it all over my face.
And we have moved to the face, and the first thing she is using is a primer, and as I said, I don't have even a single product that she uses, so I am just going to make do with whatever I have.
A little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm going to stripe it all over my face after warming it up a little bit so that it just spreads easily. So I'm just going to place it right there, and then I'm just going to start.
And for the foundation, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible. That's the thing I mostly use. And what I like to do is I just take a little bit of foundation and spread it all over. And if I feel like I need more, then I go with more product.
I'm just gonna place it right under my eyes there, and then on my outer corners. This would just brighten up the eye. I'm also gonna highlight the other highest points of my face that I usually highlight. That's gonna be the bridge of my nose, between my brows, on my forehead, cupid's bow, and my chin.
I don't usually use concealer this much. I just conceal my under eyes a little bit and that's all. But in this video, we are going to follow everything she says.
Brush, and I'm just gonna pack it under my eyes.
She's only setting her under eyes because she has dry skin, but I feel like I need to set my whole face, and if I don't do so, I really sweat a lot and the makeup will melt in no time flat. If you haven't noticed, I'm also wearing neon as she is.
I'm just gonna contour up my face. Actually, this is more like a bronzer than a contour.
So I'm going to use the bronzer just a little bit.
I'm taking a little bit of my loose powder and just applying it under.
So here she is using the loose powder under her contour to make it look a little bit sharp, and that's what I'm trying to do.
With the flat shader brush that I have, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line through my lashes.
So after doing all these steps and using the false lashes, our eye makeup is finally complete now. Please let me know in the comment section, and I really want to know from
I'm
you
gonna pick up
guys.
this blush. I'm gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. As you can see, so pick it up from the tip of the brush, and I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my cheeks just to get a nice glow. I'm also gonna apply it to the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. Literally gonna dust it with a very light hand all over my forehead and then on my cupid's bow. Small sponge tip brush, and I'm gonna place it in my inner corners to highlight my inner corners up. Also gonna place it right under the highest point of my brow.
So I had this lipstick quite similar to hers, and that's what I'm going to apply all over my lips, and with that we are going to complete this look. So that's all for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please tell me if you like this kind of videos, because I had so much fun making this and I would love to do more. Bye bye.